Welcome to another video. I'm actually traveling back to Jamaica and I'm spending a night in Paris. Now I don't have a lot of time. It's after 3 in the afternoon, so I'm just going to head down to Paris. So it'll be a nice experience to share it with you. What better way to start the tour than in front of Notre Dame Cathedral. Of course, it's really blocked around because, you know, recently it got gutted with fire. But at least the superstructure is up there and they're committed to rebuilding it. So I'm here having some nice sorbet ice cream, and it's right next to Notre Dame. And the shop owner was telling me it was such a terrible day for him. Not only it was sad to see the landmark go, but they were actually worried that it would have come down on them. Now imagine that. Thankfully it didn't. And here we have the River Seine, crossing it over. You can actually walk down and walk right next to the river. Nice. I discovered that you could do a boat cruise on the River Seine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump on a Banto bus, that's what they call it, and I'm going to go down the Seine until the Eiffel Tower. So it gives me the opportunity to see the Eiffel Tower from the River Seine, and of course I'll come off and we'll see it there. And that's the boat coming there. Still on the boat. It has different stops. I think right now we're at the Louvre, so I'll show you the building from the river, but I'm not stopping here. I'm going all the way to the Eiffel Tower. And there it is. Can you guys see it? The Eiffel Tower. Just got off the boat and there it is, the Eiffel Tower. Amazing, alright? Let's go and take a closer look. So of course, you have the Eiffel Tower that everyone is coming to see. And it is amazing. It's really something to behold. But what they don't show you is all of this. All those vendors and whatnot. It's very famous, so of course it become like a tourist trap. Tons of souvenirs and whatnot, but it is still worth it. Should I do it? Well, that was interesting. Eiffel Tower behind us, we're crossing the River Seine. I'm seeing a building there. I think that's where people take all their photos. Let me go and take a look. Wow, look at this place. Look at that nice fountain. It's massive. I can actually feel the spray coming off of it.
Can I see the step?
And the Eiffel Tower right there. So this is the spot. This is where everybody come and take those Instagrammable Eiffel Tower pictures. Look at how crowded this place is. Can't blame them. It's fantastic. I think I got so many shots of the Eiffel Tower. I'm just walking about and I'm going to try to find that famous arch. Alright, let's go. And there you have it, the Arch de Triomphe. Isn't it magnificent? I walked all the way from the Eiffel Tower to here. Really tired and hungry, so, and although it's light like this, it is actually 9:15. So I'm gonna get something to eat and then maybe head back to the hotel to sleep because I have a long day of travel tomorrow. And we're back in the hotel. I didn't have a day in France because by the time my flight arrived, I found a hotel and got back to Paris. It was actually around 5 p.m. Thankfully it's summer, so the days last longer and I was still able to squeeze in the major players, you know. Paris it is so popular. There is a ton of tourists, it's very crowded, but the sights are worth it. But you have to be careful. You know, I saw people almost got pickpocketed. I saw police getting involved with an alleged purse snatching. I saw people almost coming to blows because of there's this scam where they try to do a game where they have these trick ups and they tell you find the ball underneath it. And of course, it's a whole group of people working together. It makes it look like somebody's winning, and then when you put your money, you're guaranteed to lose. I saw, you know, people really arguing about that. I know I didn't, and I don't like to film those things and show it to you, you know. Plus it was getting really heated and I didn't really want people to see me have a camera on there. But you just have to be careful. If you're in Paris or any big European city, keep your wits about you. Make sure you can't be pickpocketed easy and don't fall for anything. Alright, it might seem rude, but someone is asking you for something, they're presenting you with something, you just walk away. So again, thanks for watching and remember to like, subscribe the video, say that the other way, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Laters.